We're hoping it'll create a waterfall effect, and this is going to be a huge boost for women's football in Goa. We're fully focusing on Goa at this time, and we want to make sure that we are creating all the right talent for women's football for the Indian team through the state of Goa.
Vedanta is really committed to the cause and of the empowerment and skill development of the girl child, and this has been one of our missions and objectives to actually take the girl child forward through the medium of sport